Is the current crypto atmosphere the same? Ngayon kasi, sobrang manipulated na eh. It's the institutions managing this now. I honestly believe, you're talking about Michael Saylor holding majority of Bitcoin. Anything he says, the market follows. That is institution masking itself as a participant where in fact they're manipulating, managing perception. Diba? Tingnan nyo yung mga malalaking hodlers ngayon ng ETF. They are banks and institutions that are heavily invested, masking themselves as participants when in fact they're manipulating. Diba? Trump. Why is he talking crypto? Because his family is heavily invested. So those are the things that makes it different. The president of the US is heavily invested on crypto. Unlike 2015, well, Trump won in 2016 as well.